Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you are all well. So in this video, we'll share our experience of a new metal watch band for Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So let's get started.
Hi everyone. So currently I'm using this green leather strap, which I quite like. Let's take it out of the box first. Take all this off. So here it is. So it also comes with this little tool as well that you can use to, I guess, shorten the strap to remove these pieces. So I'll open that in a minute. The strap is covered in some sort of kind of plastic cover to protect it. So this is a stainless steel band. As you can see, it's marked here. And it's got this quick release clasp, which I like. Okay, it looks quite big, so I'm gonna have to probably remove quite a few pieces to make it fit my strap. Got this off Amazon. It was about £16.90, and you can get this one for the Classic 8, which is what I've got here, and you can get it for the Galaxy Watch 8 40mm and 44mm as well. And I think they also do this for other brands like Apple as well. So this strap, I mean, it looks really classy. It's a no gap design. I'm going to take this wrap off, and then I'll put it on the watch and see how it looks before I start removing the pieces. So there's two options as well they're selling. One was the black one, and this is the silver version. Obviously my watch is silver, so mostly they only make this in silver. I mean, it looks really nice. It's shiny and actually it's heavy. I must say, I'm surprised by how heavy it is. Probably will make the watch quite a bit heavy now because it is quite weighty. So let's quickly just take this off for a minute. Okay. Let's remove this strap. And what do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. The only one thing I'll say is the color doesn't quite match the body of the watch, which is more like a shiny silver, and this one, although it's shiny, it's a bit dark. It's like it's like titanium. I don't know if you can see on here, but I hope that's not gonna matter so much. But it's a bit noticeable here now that it's not an identical match to the watch's frame. Same silver there, but to be honest, I don't think it's that obvious. You look closely, it probably is, but on everyday use, you probably can't notice it. So let's see how it looks with the watch. Turn on. Wow, look at that. Instantly makes this watch like a very expensive classic watch. Although it needs quite a bit adjusting, as you can see here, just to see how it looks on my wrist. Wow, can you see? Doesn't it look good? So yeah, I'm going to need much adjusting of this strap to make it fit my wrist, but I'm just amazed how great it looks. It just makes this watch look like a expensive analog mechanical watch. Actually, you can't really tell that this is a smartwatch. I hope this strap doesn't catch the hair. I know I had one of them before and used to catch the hair, so I hope this one doesn't, but I think it probably will. But anyway, we'll see. For now, I think it looks amazing. Okay, let me do something. Let me now adjust it. Remove the bits that I need to remove and make it fit my wrist. So this tool here comes with two extra these bits. The two extra here because there's already one there. So if in case this breaks, you can use this. So let's see how this works. So I guess you just remove this as much as far back as possible, and then you see each of these have a marking, these little arrows. So I think I'm going to try and move one here, this one. So what I'm doing is put it like that, open this up more, and then you have to line it. So this, because there's a little spring inside, but just here, because I want to keep one, just going to tighten it where the whole spring is, and then just need to make sure that this part lines up. When it pushes the spring, it comes out this way. So now I'm going to start tightening it, and now as I twist this, I don't know if you can see, the spring on this side is coming out. So now what I can do is undo this again, unwind it, and you can see here, look, this is out. So I can just pull this one out, and then this should now come off. So now what I have to do is remove this part as well. So then I'm going to attach this bit here. Let's do this. I don't know if this is going to work or if I may need to shorten it a little bit more. So I'll need to take this one off here as well. Just line it up. I think it's a bit fiddly, but it feels well sort of designed. Okay, so now done. Okay, that wasn't too bad. So take this off. Pull this one out and remove this part, and now reattach this bit now. So firstly what we're going to do, just put it there like that, and then see here, so it goes into, I think what you have to do again, you may have to do the same thing. No, I think it needs twisting somehow, so let me just do this. Actually, what I found is to put it back in again, it's easier just to, that bit that sticks out, just to push it down against some hard surface. So like on that table here, on the edges, I just pushed and it's gone in, it's smooth now. But I have to remove some more, so let's do this next one now. I'm going to take it off probably from there, and maybe I'll remove, I don't know, let's see. Let's undo this first. This isn't plastic, by the way. I mean, I remember I had ordered some stuff from AliExpress, some bands. One was a metal band and it came with one of those, but it was plastic and it just broke. So this one's at least metal. The base is metal as well, and so is this. So now, it was a bit big. I'm going to remove up to this, and if it's too small then I may put one back. So let's do this. Not really used to doing this because I don't really use metal straps, so I don't really do this much. Before I put this back properly, let me just see if it fits my wrist now. I don't know if I should remove one more, especially since this has to do the slip tracking and everything. It's a bit loose. If I remove one more piece, it may get too tight as well. Maybe I should just leave it. Must say though, it looks really amazing, really stunning. Wouldn't you agree? I like the way this is done. So with the lugs, replacing the lugs sort of blends quite nicely in. Since Sama does that, you have a lug and then you have the metal strap. I don't really like the look of those, but this one is a single piece, which kind of looks quite nice. What if I tried a different watch face? Let's try something else. How about this one? One of my favorite watch faces. Again, it's very dark. My wrist size, by the way, is 17 centimeters. Okay, I'm going to try a different watch face. Let's try a couple of them actually and see. Try a digital one. I think like this sort of look, maybe the digital watch faces don't go really well, but this doesn't look so bad actually. Looks nice. Maybe more suitable for analog watch faces. Try another one. What do you guys think? You think it looks good? What kind of straps are you using on your classic? Be good to know. I mean, the good thing is it's quite quick to remove and put back on. I usually prefer the quick release clasp anyway. Try one more face. Actually 2 more. I want to try this one as well. It's one of Samsung's default faces, which is a quite nice watch face. Goes very well with the classic look. And I'm going to try one more. Anyway, I think that's all really. Let's just put this one back. So I'm going to just, I can't show it on the camera because I'm going to just push it against the side of the table and force it back. Done. So what do you guys think? It just looks beautiful, really. Yeah, I think I'm very happy with this. Apart from this slight tint on the bracelet, which is not really exactly the same as the body of the watch, but I think I can live with that, to be honest.
So that's all for today, guys. We hope you found the video informative. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Also, don't forget to put your notification bell on for our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.